In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post on LinkedIn with images. So just first of all, I open LinkedIn app on my Android phone. Then you can see this is a profile option. Again, click on this name option. Then just scroll down. You can see this is a post option. So if I select this one, you can see this is the option for posting here. So just click on here. Then now you need to add a title. Then this is a description. Now this is a your targeted point images. So just here you can use and add any images on here. This is a no matter. Okay, now you are able to add some things on here. Then click on next, and now if I um, click on post, it's automatically post on my profile for just a few seconds after. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel so you can take care. Goodbye.